Hi guys, how are you doing today? Yeah, there's no intro, but there is. You'll see in a second. But I just want to say thank you for 43 subs. It's really amazing to me that a lot of people, more than 40 people, 35 people, more than that, like my videos and everything, guys. So that really means a lot to me. And if you guys want to see more, just tell me in the comments below. But I love getting your guys' comments. It's amazing to me. But anyway, and since we reach more than 40, and when I said when we reach more than 40, I'll do the S&P that on the server. Might be on Bedrock, might be on Java. Who knows? But anyway, about that, we're probably gonna come out in the summertime where I'm not busy. And talking about the summer, um, I'm probably post more videos in the summer because yeah, that's how life works. Yeah, I'm gonna be completely free in 2 day in the summer since I don't have school and all that. So my schedule is more free up. So yeah, bye. Welcome to today's video, and yeah, today we're gonna do the. Hold on, I hope you like that weird intro in the beginning before the actual intro. Yeah, it was kind of weird. But anyway, we're playing I Expect You to Die. I already said that. I know. I'm sorry. Or did I? Who knows? I forget. But yeah, we're playing I Expect You to Die last episode because after this Operation Engine, that's it. There's no more levels, and if there's a second game that I don't know of that I can't get on VR, then that sucks. Um, but or they're just waiting for the update. It's been 8 years or whatever, how many years, but still. And this is gonna be the last level. This is gonna be a long video, and so I've been doing long videos lately. I don't mean to, just the editing. I can't edit some parts out, or it won't be fun the video. But yeah, so this is definitely gonna be a long video. So yeah, guys. If you guys don't like some part, just skip it if you need to. I hope you guys like the video. All right, let's go to Operation Death Engine. And also, can you guys comment on my custom thumbnails and if it looks good on my recent videos? I did it custom, not like get someone on the internet and just post it. Oh, okay. All right, guys. Sorry I cut it by the way. There was some background noise that I knew I can avoid without talking, and I cut it out. So yeah. Yeah, I'm smart. It,
Our intelligence tells us the
I'm
Death
smart.
Engine is run by a single Zoraxis operative who will likely mistake you for a hench person.
Wait a
Remember,
minute.
Agent, destroy the
Is
Death
that a
Engine
thing
at
about to
all
turn on?
costs.
Personnel Sato, you're cleared for docking. Come in, Sato.
Uh,
Hello? Of course, they threw in the assistant at the worst possible time. Brace for impact!
what the? No, 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 no! Q, Q. Oh,
Glorious, isn't she?
I wonder.
Chills every time she fires.
That worked. You killed Q. You killed my best friend. How could you?
Note to self. Check on fuses and adjust risk assessment calculations.
Damn it.
The chances of the shuttle surviving the next blast are, well, low. Where's that camera feed? Ah, not dead yet. I'll put you to work as soon as I can confirm your arrival with ground control.
Okay.
This is Death Engine Commander Solaris. Clearance 20R7. Yes, they're here now. What? I'm looking right at them. They're in a Zoraxis personnel shuttle. Yes, I can wait.
Hmm. Okay, so what do we have to do? 2254. Did that work?
Dr.
Oh
Moore,
wait,
what a
that's
unexpected
slash support.
surprise.
That's G control. That's auxiliary and airlocks.
Hardly my problem, is it? I see. Yes. No. Maybe. I'll take care of it, I suppose. Understood. I said I understand.
So I'm thinking we have to get that
Well.
here without the
You're far
nuclear.
from home, aren't you, Agent?
How do you
To
know?
think that I almost removed that radioactive waste from your docking bay. I received your file and there's more
Uh-oh.
here than I expected. I'll read it while I watch you squirm.
Uh-oh. Oh no 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 no. No 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 no. No no no.
Note to self. Make sure docking arm manual override container is securely fastened to hull and not sliding all over the damn station.
Yeah, hold on. How do I? Oh, okay, so if I do this, or no, this. Oh no, no, I need to have this and then have that and then do this again and then turn that off and then do this again and then do that. Oh no, wrong, no, I'm getting poisoned. I'm getting poisoned. Alright, and then do this again. And I think
You keep messing with the gravity controller. What do you think that's going to accomplish? Eh?
good things. Good things. Oh wait, wait, wait. I need this. No, I need this. I need and then turn off gravity and then do this again. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. And then I think yeah, yeah, yeah. And then if I do this. Okay, so okay, which one's like airlocks? I need to open that that one, the other one. So
Just keep.
here I have to cut it out again be the same reason. Okay, okay. If you don't know what the same reason is, it was because of background noise.
And dangerous. I approve.
And I don't approve of you, you evil scum.
Okay, very clever, but now what? Only I know the combination to the lock and it changes all the time.
Exactly. Oh wait, what? I can leave that open.
A little radiation can't hurt. Oh, why not open the other door as well?
Shh, no. I don't need that anymore. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna put this on. Yeah, there you go.
Did you really forget to bring a space helmet? To space?
Of course I did. I'm an agent, not some astronaut. Okay, so I need the code. Okay. Juicy News Madrid.
Death engine activation in 5 minutes.
Oh no, that's crap. Weapon systems, operating arm.
Security on these new computing machines is horrendous. I'm sure future
It will be
generations
crazy
will
if the
suffer.
code was the time. Oh no, uh-oh. Oh no, now I'm almost only one try now. If I mess this up. You gotta be kidding me.
People wouldn't take Z-mail security seriously.
Wait a minute, is this... I gotta... Oh wait, the arm. Wait. Yeah, arm, okay.
I cannot let you use that manipulator. Agent, I enjoyed your bumbling, but enough is enough. Aligning trajectory, aligning course, and
No, no, no! So close! There's no way! Okay, guys, and that was pretty fast. I didn't even do that level before, not even in the past. But I'm skip to the last part, okay? I'll meet you guys there. Okay, guys, welcome back. Once was 0 seconds for you, but a long time for me. I got back to when I opening this chest, not chest thing. Okay, so all right now. Now to catch this. Damn it. Not to wait for another one. I'm gonna cut it until another one appears. Guys, I died. I'm gonna cut it for the arm parting part, nothing else, okay? Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay. They're throwing. Please, 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 let me catch it, let me catch it. Catch it, let me catch it. Yes. No! Damn it! I'm gonna cut it again. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah, guys, so I died again. I'll just when I get what the box thing, I'll cut it until there. Okay, bye guys. Back guys. Yes. Okay. Please, 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 please. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Turning this off, taking this so I won't crash. Let's go. Finally. Uh-oh. Oh no, now I'm gonna die! After all that! After every single mission I'm gonna... Well, salute! Oh... Whoa. Crazy ending.
Be seeing you, Agent.
Salute! Two... Oh,
Are you there? Come in.
you're alive! Oh,
Hang in
you're
there if
so
you can
alive!
hear me.
Oh.
We're closing in on the crash site.
Oh. My gosh. You
Well,
are
Agent,
alive. You
you
scared me
finally
there.
did it. You're dead. At least officially. It was an easy sell. There was really no way you should have survived. What is your secret? I dare
You know
say
what?
it
I'm
was a close
immortal.
call
See,
for us.
I'll tell you that. But that's it, guys. Yo, that's it. End of the series there. What's this?
This is a commentary bubble. The button you just pressed toggles them on and off. They are now on in all of the puzzles as well as this room. They contain
If you guys want to
interesting
see all
developer
this, me
tidbits.
clicking
For instance,
everything, just tell
the
me
time
down.
frame of the art
And I'll
style
make a
we're
short
going for
about
is
it.
late 50s, early 60s. You know, the prime spy era. Of course, we needed to fudge the technology here and there. For instance, Ford's retina scanner was conceived of in 1935, but the first working one wasn't until the early 80s. But this button and this radio are period specific.
Good radio to end the music off, or series off. Well, guys, that's the end of the series. Goodbye, guys, and that's yeah. Well, bye, gamers, and let's head to the outro. Let's go.